to another day on Knox in the Garage. And today we're going to make a camp cooker. We're going to make it this. First, you want to get a cooking can and get a knife and cut around it. And eat all the tuna, then wash it. Then you get some wax and put it in a cooking pot. And kids need a parent to do this. While it's melting, you get some cardboard and fold it around like that, and put it inside the can, and pour the wax onto it. And you let the wax dry. Then you get your cooking stove, you get a lighter, and light it. Like that. And also, I'm going to do some things. And to put it out, you put a can over it. And there we go. Bye guys. Hope you enjoy. For when it's emergency, it out.